Having trouble with text messages on your Samsung A57 5G? In this guide, you'll learn how to change and set the default messaging app to fix common SMS and messaging issues quickly. Start by opening the settings page. Scroll down and tap apps to access all app-related settings. At the top of the apps menu, tap Choose Default Apps. This section allows you to manage which apps your phone uses for specific tasks. Next, tap SMS app. You will see a list of compatible messaging apps installed on your device, such as Google Messages or Samsung Messages. Select the messaging app you want to use as your default. Once selected, your phone will automatically route all text messages through that app. After changing the default SMS app, it's a good idea to close and reopen the messaging app. You can also restart your phone to ensure the changes are fully applied. In many cases, this simple adjustment fixes issues such as messages not sending, delayed texts, missing notifications, or messaging apps that won't open properly. Now your default messaging app is set correctly and SMS should work smoothly again without any issues.